Well, a new chairlift made its debut today at Big Sky Resort. MTN's Madeiras Bab tells us what is so unique about the lift, making it not only one of its kind, but also in the nation and the world.
Lines quickly fill up as skiers and snowboarders anxiously wait to take their first ride on the newest lift at Big Sky Resort. The lift is up and running now, but president of Doppelmayr, Mark B., said his company started construction back in May.
And our crews had never put one of these together before, so when we signed the contract on March 5th, we knew it was going to be a big challenge.
Doppelmayr had to transport hard-to-find pieces all the way from Austria to construct such a large project. Each chair is equipped with heated seats, an optional weatherproof bubble, and a breathtaking view.
I mean, look at the people. Look at them riding the lift. Look how they're enjoying it. It's a spectacular piece of machinery and a spectacular background.
The Ramcharger is the first 8-person chairlift in North America and, according to Big Sky, the most technologically advanced lift in the world.
It's raising the bar for the rest of North American skiing, and we're excited about it happening here in Southwest Montana.
This evolution of the resort does not go unnoticed, especially by skier Tom Manuel from Red Lodge, who appreciates not having to wait in line as long.
I never used to like it, and now it's world class right out my back door. Once you get out on the runs, they're big open and the people disappear.
Now that the lift is open to the public, 3,200 people can be taken to the top of the mountain each hour, something that has never been done at Big Sky before. In Big Sky, Madeiras Bab, MTN News.
The resort says it hopes to add 3 gondolas to the Ramcharger, 2 for dining and 1 which will house a cabin.